Hi everyone. Today we're going to work on the cursive letter C. It is our first 2 o'clock letter. And you might be wondering, what does that mean, 2 o'clock letter? Well, when you think about a clock, where the 2 is on the clock is where we are going to draw our line to and then come back around. So when you think of the curve of the clock and where the 2 is on the clock, that's going to be a reference point for our 2 o'clock letters. So get out your cursive packet and make sure you have the letter C, a pencil, and a hard surface. So the letter C also starts at the grass line like our last letter did, but it is different because it's a 2 o'clock letter. You're going to see some differences between that and the up-down letters. So get your air pencils ready. Here we go.
C is a 2 o'clock letter. It starts on the grass line. Point to the grass line. Glide up towards the plane line, then around 2 o'clock. Trace back around to the grass line and make a tail.
Pretty easy. You just have to remember to stop at 2 o'clock. Don't pick up your pencil and come back around. Try it again in the air.
C is a 2 o'clock letter. It starts on the grass line. Point to the grass line. Glide up towards the plane line, then around 2 o'clock. Trace back around to the grass line and make a tail.
Try it on your leg.
C is a 2 o'clock letter. It starts on the grass line. Point to the grass line. Glide up towards the plane line, then around 2 o'clock. Trace back around to the grass line and make a tail.
Try it on your arm.
C is a 2 o'clock letter. It starts on the grass line. Point to the grass line. Glide up towards the plane line, then around 2 o'clock. Trace back around to the grass line and make a tail.
Nice. Now you'll notice you're going forward, then you have to stop, and then you go in reverse without picking up your pencil. So let's see what it's like on our packet. Get your pencils. Starting at the grass line, trace over the example. You're going to glide all the way up to the plane line, but now you make a curve. Stop here. That's the 2 o'clock mark. Don't pick up your pencil. Now retrace, go backwards like you're like a roller coaster. And then come down to the grass line and you make a tail. So you're going to start at the grass line, curve up just like you're doing any of our other letters like the I, the U, the W. But instead, when you get to that airplane line, you're going to curve to 2 o'clock. Stop there, almost like you're making a 0, right? Come back down, falling down on that roller coaster. Come back down to the grass line and make a tail. Up, stop, reverse, down, tail. Okay, so do the same thing on the lower. Trace that little black example, then come to the grass line, go up to that airplane line to 2 o'clock, retrace, make a tail. Retrace, make a tail, stop at 2 o'clock, come around, up and back down, up and then back down, up, back down, and please don't connect, leave a space. I got 8 in that time. So I'm thinking, of course, of the word cat has 2 2 o'clock letters. You haven't learned A yet, but I'm starting at the grass line. I come up, stop at 2 o'clock, come back around into my A, which is also a 2 o'clock letter, into the letter T, and cross my T. Didn't pick my pencil up once, and there's the word cat in cursive. So enjoy your first 2 o'clock letter. I think you'll get the hang of it. Just think up, stop, oops, back into reverse, and around again. Okay, can't wait to see it. Enjoy your cursive.